So during the shoulder season, when we change labor rates in June, we have to override labor rates for a month.
Actually, probably not. Cancel out there. Let's, okay, let me think about what you just said. Shoulder season, run that little concept. It's not new rates. It's just a 1 month change in rates.
No, so let's say our labor rate is going to change again on June 1. So during the first couple of weeks of June, any calls that we did in May are going to be booked at May labor rates. Any calls that we booked and started in June are going to be booked at June labor rates. So during that usually 2 to 4 week period, you're either changing the price to go to the new price book or changing the price to go to the old price book.
Click into here for a second. Let's talk about this because we could be strategic. Click and hit F5 again rather than setup. Let's go in here. So let's hit the advanced. You got 2 choices in this. And but there's a nice thing if you go to file up top. There are actually then we're going to say copy thing, not in this advanced if we close out of here. So you can go to file. And then we actually, there's a copy template feature that kind of copies these things, you know?
Yeah, I couldn't get it to do that when I was that.
No, not that. So click back to my programs or cancel out there for just a sec. One thing, if you hit F5, it's a locker. It's nice to be able to do that, but you got to close it down or it's going to lock you when you try and multitask within that. Go back to your main menu. So we'll hit that rate templates right there. So 5 in the grid.
There's a place where it had an effective date.
Yeah, back on the, right on the effective date thing. This allows you to have, actually if you,
as we were trying to do this
Yeah.
earlier that morning, and we couldn't copy the advanced ones. It copied the ones right on that info tab.
Yeah.
It didn't do the advanced.
it doesn't do those little advanced. I can copy the main one, but it doesn't go back in there. So, new effective date. So this is what you're talking about. June 1st, you've got a new set of rate templates going out to the customers for these 13. So,
But if they have a service call that, we did it on May 24th.
you want to grandfather that one into the previously quoted rates and not use the new ones because you didn't quote them at the previous one.
So routinely, we have to override it at billing with our current system.
Yeah. I guess the only other option would be is to create another 13 rate templates and then just call them strategic and have the description include an effective date. Does that make sense? Your 13 would be, prior to June 1st, and then the other ones would be June 1st going, and then you use that template and you could do it that way, which really isn't an override, it's using the new ones going forward, but that would be your other option.
Yeah.
Hey, Gene, can you go back to grid real quick on the road rates? And just see that material percentage? Don't we have ranges? See the material percentage?
Yeah, there's different tabs.
Right, but when you look at this one, John, if
Yeah,
you to CRE,
it doesn't give you all those other
you have
advanced
an
tabs.
advanced.
Okay, it just looks.
So it's 0 if it's just a flat markup across every single thing, like Microsoft CBRE says 5 here,
Yeah.
and it doesn't have the advanced.
Yeah, not on that grid view. That's correct.
So on the grid view, John, if there is no number here, they're getting our scale. If there's a number here, then that's the
those
flat
other ones are
markup.
flat rates across
Right.
the board. Okay,
Right.
I'm with you. I'm with
Yeah.
you.
Yeah, the other one you have to go to the tab to see the breakpoints and all the other additional setup she's
Yeah.
done.
It's unfortunate it doesn't have that copy functionality
On the
that
advanced, I
we were
know.
looking for all those breakpoints too.
Wore out my hand with all that data entry.
Yeah.